Right, so here's a little something for those who like a more traditional model. This is actually the Keil Kraft Gipsy. It was something that I was asked to build over a year or so ago, and it was going to be an electric conversion with rudder elevator radio control. But because I'm not going to be flying radio control model airplanes, I'm sticking to gliders. I thought, well, why not make this a glider instead? So it'll be a little slope soarer. So here I'm just showing the overall structure of it. And you can see there I've added a rudder, and in fact it's got an all-moving tailplane, so I'll show that operating in a moment. So what I need to do is create a little shelf or something to locate the battery and receiver up front, and there you can see the servo arrangements, so for the rudder and elevator, and the two carbon push rods, and there you can see the rudder in operation, and with it being an all-moving tailplane, just a slight movement, as you can see, just slightly up and down. So I've decided that I'll cover it with solar film, so it's more robust for a slope soarer. I'd love to use tissue, but it just won't last long. It will soon tear and puncture and that. But what I will do is endeavour to give it a more traditional look. So look forward to showing you it when it's covered.